Ka Jingalang happening ka Sorkar Jilla Bat ka Harijan Panchayat Committee kalalong menta ka Sngi Shpotrik Unaila Aja Apusau hakaba ka Jingalang kalalong ka Basaiso Nakaliang ka HPC kalapan por na ka Sorkar sa Khatsan Sngi Banya Pinbej hakabaya day bat ka Jingpin Kinria yaki Harijan na Thamyo Maulong Habakran Shkilat Pathai Kubor, Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajilla, Uba Asnyaw Bahalang, Uloong Bakani Kadai Gajing Aipor, Kabakadu Baka Sorkar Ka Ay Ka HPC, Bat Ka Sorkar Kanum Aipor Shuh Hadien Kane.
Actually, I would like to inform today we are a very, very positive and fruitful meetings with the Horizon Committee. And yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organizations, as GPC. And we from the government side, we are agree to give them 15 days more time. And there will be no more discussion before that. And within 15 days, they will give a final decision, they will communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very, very positive thing I would like to inform you. Yes, discussion may be the last 2 days. We should be the last today, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government kindly give us at least 15 days from today's itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very, very hopeful it should be a positive decision.
Sir, what are the points that government has raised? What are the offers that government has given?
No, the offer you know very well because we haven't made any offer. We want them to say yes or no first for relocations. So because everything blueprint is there.
But they have not said yes till now for the relocation.
They need some more issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days, you will be getting a final decision from them.
Are they happy with the blueprint?
Yes, they are very much happy. Very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint.
So what is the major issue that they still need to discuss with?
No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they tell, please give us, we need some few higher organization, the Punjabi team only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today.
So the next meeting will be...
no more, they may communicate it only. Either is a meeting, no problem, we can have meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days, will be finalized everything.
Means within August only we...
Just count for 15 days, what? Maybe 26, 27 only.
So, but isn't there a fear that, from outside, because they're going to seek help or the others' view also, what if there's an interference or some sort of interference is being made here, so there'll be a hindrance to the decision making here?
The discussion between the government and the Harijan committee, there will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan committee and the government itself. It's their responsibility fully.
Because see, we had long discussions on the relocation issue of Punjabi Lane. We had today again we had a fruitful meeting, and still certain issues are yet to be addressed, which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days, then we will convey the final decision, and then only the things will be finalized.
What are the means to discuss it?
See, that I can't disclose right now, but yes, there are certain issues which we need to discuss.